Hello again, Alec McLeod with the TR4 door. What I've found is that this section here, if you see the gap, there is actually a section there where this is bent. Now if you have this problem, obviously I'll devise a way of straightening that component, because the regulator will, if that is as it is, will push the window up on this point, and it may be that this part of the glass will hit the windscreen. So by bending that into a straight position rather than as it banana shaped as it is, there must be a slight weakness there, that will allow the window to be adjusted and therefore get rid of the problem of hitting the windscreen. Just to show you what I've done with this, this section here, which was bent, I marked the windscreen. You can see a mark here and here. That one stays where it is, and this one at this end, you can see how much it's lifted it just by straightening that. What I did, I clamped a piece of 25mm by 6mm flat onto it, clamped it with a pair of mole grips, and then levered it up through here, and that straightened it quite easily. And in so doing, it lifted this up and lifted the glass. So hopefully now everything is lined up. I've used a straight edge, and that is perfectly straight now. I could alter it more and lift it more by bending it more, or reduce it. I'll now remount the door and check that everything is all right. Just to show you the line-up after I adjusted the regulator on the window, you can see that it's pretty much lined up. There's a slight adjustment on the door which will take up the remainder of it. What I want to show you is a little trick that you could use. When the wing was on, I put the wing on, I got all my line up here, and before I took the door completely off, you can see I drilled through here, and that's just a pop rivet reversed through a 3mm hole, and I know that by putting those in, and when I tighten up, the door will be perfectly lined up. It's a trick that I used when I used to rebuild MG midgets and Morris Minors and things like that. It always works, because you know your door will always line up, and you just need to tighten up, and the wing alignment is perfect then, so I don't have any trouble. Just